Hey guys, Thunder E here, and today I'm going to show you the most versatile monitor for all your needs. Gaming, work, you name it. I'm talking about the LG 38WN95C. Now before we go ahead, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and notification icon to get notified of our latest videos. So now, let's jump in. So when we think of monitors, there are so many different types, from regular to wide to ultra wide to humongous, but they all have different types of functionalities. While the LG 38-inch monitor here, I'm just going to give you the short naming reference here, is a great monitor for all your needs. It's priced at $1,500, but it packs in so many features. First of all, it's a 38-inch ultra-wide nano IPS display, really bright and vibrant colors altogether. You've got specs to match all the things you need. Of course, you've got DCI-P3 support. You've also got NVIDIA G-Sync support, as well as AMD's FreeSync Premiere Pro support. So you've got that there. You've got 1 millisecond response time. You've got 144 hertz refresh rate, and you've got a display resolution of 3840 by 1600. So what does that all mean for all your needs? So as you guys know, we love to game on this channel. The first thing we did is we plugged this monitor into our PC, and it's got a bunch of ports behind, and we got to start gaming. Played some Call of Duty Warzone. It ran well, ran really smooth, because you can crank up that refresh rate to match what your system can do. And also played some, of course, Cyberpunk 2077, being able to push that game to its fullest in our system and get a really nice refresh rate. Now, that is because, of course, of the G-Sync support with our system, and also if you have an AMD system, you've got that FreeSync support as well. But the 1 millisecond response time makes sure that when you're gaming in any of these scenarios, whether it be in Cyberpunk or Call of Duty Warzone or any of the games you can think of, you're getting the fastest response possible while you're using this monitor, which is absolutely fantastic. Plus, the picture quality is really good. Things look sharp, they're vibrant, they're clear. Now, the functionality of the monitor is also one that I really like, and I think LG has improved over time. Being able to quickly access the menus that you want by simply tapping the button underneath the center, and you can go straight into the game mode. The ability to go to the fastest response time you want, being able to change the black color levels, and also switch quickly between FPS or RTS games, depending on what you want to game. Now you can go into the full menu structure. It allows you to change your brightness, your contrast, and all that stuff. You can also select your different inputs. You can go in and also change between the different game modes, not just FPS, but MMOs, RTS, and so much more, as well as also cinema scenes or reading mode. So you've got all that built in. But what I like is the functionality with the ports. Now, you've got a plethora of ports behind. You've got USB, you've got HDMI, you've got DisplayPort, but you also have Thunderbolt 3 port at the back, which allows me to do something really cool by easily connecting my laptop or my MacBook to this monitor, and then I can use it for whatever I want to do. So for instance, taking my brand new MacBook 13 Pro with the M1 chipset, connecting it via Thunderbolt, I have my MacBook on a much larger display. Now, moving from a 13-inch to a 30-inch display makes it so much more usable, at least for me, and I'm sure a lot of people will like that kind of functionality when they're doing their day-to-day tasks. Plus, your audio transfer is possible by easily just switching the input to the monitor, because it's got a built-in speaker that sounds really good. And don't take my word, just take a quick listen.
You can flip it in many positions, left and right. I'm a number 6 point. That's that kind of phone. I'm telling you, flip here, flip there. Anyway, it's very good, it's flexible, it's very durable, you can have snazzies.
So you've got that flexibility with this monitor, being able to take your laptop, your MacBook, connecting it with the Thunderbolt 3 port, and getting some really great functionality, and that flexibility of moving in and out from either your desktop to your laptop with a great monitor that can do that quite simply. Now, for your day-to-day tasks, this covers a lot of functionality as well. I mean, you've got a large screen real estate, so if you're editing photos, editing video, if you're doing spreadsheet work, it just does the work for you because you've got enough real estate to do that. And you can jump back into your gaming needs and cover that as well. I think as a gamer and somebody that also, works from home, this monitor fills the gap for all those needs and I think a lot of people will like it. So if you guys have any questions or any comments about the LG 38WN95C monitor, let me know. Otherwise, guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and always enjoy your entertainment.